So this is the first year of this tiger low poly environment. I just finally got it in. The low poly trees, rocks, water behind it, and the tiger up top on the mountains. Trees. Not sure where I can move though. Might be a little bit too high. Now that I got these in, that's pretty neat. But the lights in the shadow are not coming in, so I might have to do textures by themselves independently. With Blender, there's shadow. They have the lights. And it looks like we have to create our own shadows, possibly. Or import them somehow. But these are all tigers, little cub tigers. Possibly can walk closer. See my barrier. It's pretty neat. Oops, don't want to fall. Wow. So this is almost perfect size. The tigers could be a little bit smaller. Definitely more detail. More detail in the rocks. Definitely more detail in the rocks. A little bit more, not too much. The trees are good. Maybe a little bit. Texture. Not too much. Two-tone, maybe a three-tone type. And if I could add animation, that would be great. But this is it. The first of it. The first one I got to work. The trees, I could not get those to work until I applied the settings. So that's a secret with Blender. I have to apply the settings and then they will show up. There's a couple of trees that were invisible. Apparently it was stuck in the program. Did not move over.